Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. In this video, we are going to discuss about the error unable to determine taxes of an item that occurs during billing. So, let's get into the video to know more about the error and its solution. First of all, we will enter a purchase bill. So, go to main menu and open purchase bill. Transact one item in purchase bill. As you can see, error is occurred stating unable to determine taxes. This error is occurred if the GST tax percentage is not defined for an item in Item Master. Let us now proceed further towards the solution of this error. Go to main menu and click on Setup Item Multiple Pack Size under Setup Items menu. Filter that item for which error had occurred. Then go to Group Details tab, where you will find the GST tax field. You can see that the tax is not defined for this item. Choose the GST tax percentage and resave the item. Now we are going to transact that item again and check whether error is resolved or not. The bill is saved successfully without error. In case error is still not fixed, then feel free to post ticket and we will contact you in shortest possible time. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. For more software-related updates, hit the notification bell icon and subscribe to our channel.